Welcome back, explorers! Today, we set our sights on the captivating island of Taiwan, a destination of mesmerizing landscapes and deep-rooted culture. From the soaring Taipei 101 in the bustling capital, to the tranquil beauty of Sun Moon Lake, Taiwan offers a diverse range of unforgettable experiences. Let's embark on a journey to uncover 15 must-visit places in Taiwan. Grab your virtual passports and let's get started. Taiwan, a canvas of diversity and beauty. Taipei Sentiong Taipei. Behold the iconic Taipei 101, a marvel of modern architecture. The building dominates the skyline, an unmissable beacon of Taipei. Elevate to the observatory for a breathtaking panoramic view of the city. For the culturally curious, the building incorporates elements of feng shui design. Don't miss the tuned mass damper, a golden sphere that stabilizes the building. Sun Moon Lake, Nantou County. Sun Moon Lake captivates with its yin-yang balance of serene beauty. Situated in the foothills, it's Taiwan's largest natural lake. Take a boat tour to appreciate the lake from various angles. The Siyan Pagoda offers an elevated view, combining nature and spirituality. Witness the enchanting sunrise or sunset to understand why it's named Sun Moon Lake. Taroko Gorge, Hualien County. Welcome to Taroko Gorge, a striking masterpiece of nature. The marble-walled canyons are home to several indigenous tribes. Hike the Julu Old Trail for sweeping views of the gorge below. The Eternal Spring Shrine offers a moment of tranquility amidst the dramatic landscape. Taroko means magnificent and beautiful, and the place lives up to its name. Jiufen Old Street, New Taipei City. Step into Jiufen, a charming town famously inspiring the movie Spirited Away. Stroll through narrow, bustling streets brimming with artisan shops and tea houses. The area was once a gold mining town, adding historical depth to your visit. Amy Tea House offers traditional Taiwanese tea and stunning views. The lantern-lined streets at dusk provide a magical atmosphere. Kenting National Park, Pingtung County. Explore Kenting National Park, a haven of biodiversity. From coral reefs to forested areas, the park is an ecological wonder. Tropical beaches like White Sand Bay offer idyllic relaxation. Visit Eluambi Lighthouse, known as the Light of East Asia. Night markets in the area offer culinary delights, including freshly grilled seafood. Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall, Taipei. The Chiang Kai-shek Memorial Hall stands as a monument to modern Taiwanese history. The white marble and blue tiles embody classical elegance. Witness the hourly changing of the guards, a display of immaculate precision. The surrounding gardens and ponds offer a peaceful retreat. The hall serves as a cultural center, hosting various exhibitions and performances. Yushan, Nantou County. Yushan, or Jade Mountain, offers a high-altitude experience unlike any other. As the highest peak in Northeast Asia, it's a mountaineer's dream. The Sea of Clouds phenomenon adds a mystical touch to the summit. Various trails provide routes for hikers of all levels. Flora and fauna unique to high altitudes make this a biodiversity hotspot. Penghu Islands. Discover the Penghu Islands, an archipelago known for its stunning beaches and rich history. Visit the ancient Erkin village, a window into traditional Taiwanese architecture. Basalt columns on the coastline create a unique moon-like landscape. Water sports like windsurfing and jet skiing offer an adrenaline rush. The Penghu Fireworks Festival lights up the summer skies, adding vibrancy to your visit. If you're new here or haven't done so yet, make sure to like this video, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you won't miss any of our future adventures. Excited for what's next? On to the next experience on our list. Yangmingshan National Park, Taipei. Immerse yourself in Yangmingshan National Park, a quick escape from Taipei's urban buzz. Famed for its hot springs and sulfur deposits, the area is a geothermal wonder. Cherry blossoms in spring transform the park into a pastel-colored dreamscape. Hike up Mount Qixing to stand on the highest point in Taipei. Floral diversity and wildlife make this a paradise for nature enthusiasts. Shifen Waterfall, New Taipei City. Marvel at Shifen Waterfall, often described as Taiwan's Niagara Falls. The horseshoe-shaped waterfall creates a powerful, awe-inspiring scene. Rainbows often form in the mist, adding an ethereal beauty. Surrounded by lush greenery, it's a natural escape that feels worlds away. Railway tracks nearby allow for the launching of sky lanterns, elevating the magical ambience. Foguangshan Buddha Museum, Kaohsiung. Experience the spiritual serenity at Foguangshan Buddha Museum. Home to one of the world's tallest sitting Buddha statues, the museum is awe-inspiring. 8 pagodas flank the central plaza, each one a repository of Buddhist relics. The museum provides cultural and religious insights through its vast collection. Modern multimedia exhibits engage both the mind and the spirit. National Palace Museum, Taipei. Step into the National Palace Museum, a treasure trove of Chinese art and history. Home to over 700,000 artifacts, the museum is among the world's largest. The jadeite cabbage, a masterpiece of jade carving, is a must-see. Interactive exhibitions make learning engaging and accessible. The museum gardens offer a scenic and tranquil setting for reflection. Alishan National Scenic Area, Chiang County. Alishan captivates with its forested landscapes and mystical cloud formations. Board the Alishan Forest Railway for a scenic journey through breathtaking terrain. Visit the Sisters Ponds, 2 picturesque bodies of water with a touching legend. Tea plantations offer a glimpse into the production of Alishan's famed high mountain tea. Time your visit to witness the surreal sunrise from the Alishan main peak. Tamsui Old Street, New Taipei City. Tamsui Old Street is a fusion of history, culture, and gastronomy. Stroll along the waterfront and absorb the scenic views. The Fuyu Temple is a significant cultural landmark with intricate carvings. Sample local snacks like Tamsui's famous iron eggs and age. The Tamsui Fisherman's Wharf is the perfect spot for a romantic sunset. Elephant Mountain, Taipei. End your journey at Elephant Mountain, offering perhaps the best view of Taipei's skyline. The hiking trail is a popular route that rewards with panoramic vistas. Witness the Taipei 101 building framed by the city's expansive layout. Ideal for both daytime exploration and nighttime cityscape photography. The vantage point provides a final, unforgettable experience in Taiwan. This tour of 15 incredible destinations encapsulates the essence of Taiwan. From vibrant cities to natural wonders, to spiritual retreats and cultural landmarks, Taiwan's multifaceted allure promises a journey of diverse experiences. Until next time, keep exploring and turning your destinations into experiences. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. For more detailed experiences and exclusive travel deals, visit tripjive.com. Until our next adventure, stay curious and keep exploring. Thank you for watching.